In this example, I have cosecant theta minus cotan theta times cosecant theta plus cotan theta equals to 1. So what I can do, first thing I can use the difference of squares. So I can have cosecant squared theta minus cotan squared theta equals to 1. Cosecant is the inverse of sine, and cotan is cosine divided by sine. Then we will have 1 minus cosine squared divided by sine squared. Then 1 minus cosine is sine squared over sine squared. It will be equal to 1. So that's how we prove it. We can also expand it and do it in different ways, like 1 over sine theta minus cosine times sine. And here we can do the same thing, 1 over sine plus cosine over sine equals to 1. Then it will be 1 minus cosine squared divided by sine. The sine equals 1 minus cosine theta divided by sine theta. Here 1 plus cosine theta divided by sine theta equals to 1. Then difference of squares, 1 minus cosine squared theta divided by sine squared theta will be sine squared theta divided by sine squared theta, which will be equal to 1. That's the second method to solve this trig identity.